Okay. CCK 2091. I'm gonna play Morra again. Morra Smith. If I play Nf3 now. Take. Interesting. If I take on E5, knight E4, I've got Queen D5, surely. It's Bishop E4 check though. King E... no. Alright, maybe just Bishop D3, yeah. Bishop E4, maybe King F1. So the knight goes to a passive square. Okay. Like C5. Alright, now if I can... I don't know, play... H4. I'll keep control of D4, should I? Yeah. Right, can I win D6 if I just chase this bishop? No. Maybe though, D5 is slightly weak. So maybe knight C3, just to play for that D5 square here. Like Bishop E4. Okay, Bishop E4 here. About the rook. Now knight, I don't know, knight D5 here. I guess B6 and Bishop B7 is happening soon. But knight D5, yeah. Or that B4. Or rook H3 to G3. Rook H3, knight F4, rook G3. Looks... yeah, I think I will play that. Bit of pressure on the king side. So I think knight D5 now, threatening knight F6. Maybe. That's a good point, it's winning the exchange. It's a shame. Okay. So I just lost the exchange for nothing. Great. So have I got any compensation here? So that's the next question. Queen A4. Just rook C2 maybe. Just try and get this diagonal working with my bishop and queen. Queen A4 here. Yeah, I might try Queen A4 here. Trying to win this A pawn or something. Not ideal to lose the exchange like that. I'll try and win the A pawn. Take with the G pawn here. That would heal the pawns a little bit. I'll go for that, I think. So if knight D4, maybe F4. Right. Maybe F4 here. So the pawns are slightly healed. I think Queen F2 or Queen A4? Queen A4 keeps an eye on the rook as well as the pawn. Oh god, not again. Another tactic. Oh, poor bishop going. Yeah, I'm just losing the whole knight, I think. He could have just taken and then c2. So I've been let off there, I think. I can actually play queen takes c3 here, with maybe not a completely lost ending, because I've got a few pawns for the knight. Knight c3, or bishop h7 and knight c3. I might try that. Bishop h7 and knight takes c3 here. I don't think you'd ever want to play g6, laying bishop g6. Okay. Now knight d5. I don't think it's as clear as before. By any stretch, this position. But my time's been exhausted. It's only a minute 20. Yeah, bishop f5. Bishop e4. Maybe bishop f5 is more useful. Aha. So rook b2 is quite a major threat. King h3, there isn't knight f4 at the moment, because the knight on d5. So maybe, I think this is the way to go. King h3. So the rook moves actually queen c8, mating. Maybe I should consider bishop e6 pretty soon. Like probably now, because otherwise it looks really dangerous. Okay, so I'll take it now. 97 might be threatening knight g6s. So queen h1, king g4, not so clear. Aha, I got check here. I'll double check. I can just take here. I'll take here. I better start moving quickly in this ending. So we can get knight to d6 maybe, without losing it. 28 seconds. Just going to get these pawns working. h5 may be useful to stop any h5 trick from black. I'll check. Right. To protect e5 first, I'll play f5. I think will be good. Ah, all this check. I have 19 seconds. So here's like pre-moves are useful. 18 seconds. Seconds. 12. Let's restrict the king. Back row. It's resigned. Oh, I better turn to that. Oh, it's a bit of a comeback. Not a great game. In fact, I think this is terrible. That d5 might have been possible here. Immediate equality. So he did give me some play on d5 and unnecessary play here. So there's a tactical disaster which emerged. It was to do with this queenside expansion plan in this diagonal. So the king being on f1 basically is an invisible problem. I mean, it might not look that unsafe, but with b5, b4 and bishop a6 it is a dangerous idea. So maybe, you know, king g1 to just tuck it a bit further away. So it's no good trying to play positioning on d5 if this is a vicious tactical plan with coordination of a knight on d4, the bishop on diagonal. So yeah, interesting. So he completely missed a clear win here coming up. Just knight takes, queen takes, and then c2. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube.